Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Shibenta na kajing rakhe kasni na luo jongkari. Nakaliang ka office rekam jong Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Castles District pan. Rengkat kajing trelang bat ka kanhon Round Table India bat ke Ladies Circle India. Henne kasni ka kharsan trek unailar. Kila sam yikijan si kilong yeng bawan na kilong yeng baduk bat baduna kayo kakon. Kibasyong basa hakani ngunong ba shalong. Yakani kajing sam yikini kijan la pelong ha pelau jong ka DC office hakabala sam yikini kijan dau Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Castles uba Peter Esdkar rengkat kajinan lang kidukot jikini kiseng. Yakini kijan kini kikenhon kilalom na kaleng kinong song kajala. Kibala penbenaro la kumba shibanai mensua sekipat ba nong song ban senyang ikijan kibalarim handai kibadang bah bat danglong ban penonkam kontop naduk kijong kikena bat kirang ba ro kumjo.
Ada pergi suplemen ba rengkat bat ke office ke jonga ngadan ru ke kenhuan hangi na Round Table berkunjul ki Ladies Circle India hangi kibala yarap linga ban tolong ke ke program ke barit hangi pan ke office apede ban ai kendiat kesai ke jingarap ban balai yang kalian mejuki ban sam gini jan kitiar gitar syakini ki kenhuan kiba nila khot subha matrasni kum kada ka bandir khi subhalem yang digasi kasi khrau jo India dina kalian jonga na kalian office ngai kuble ki bala bidang ikani ka jinga jumut lado sibrai menso benta kala ublong ban ngilala ban ai gini ki ban nindang persang susu Asia ki por barang wan ro ndang la suban organize ku ini ki program ye ki pat ki kenhon ki badan kami ki jingerap hakum ki.
So this year we thought that we should run another campaign called Donate, so that we can because whenever we visit lots of old age home society, we find that they get foods, they get other things, but they don't get clothes for the children and the old age people. So when I met DC sir, I discussed with him and he was very open to the idea. Then we ran a campaign to collect clothes from all over the state, and we got lots of help from the Ceylon people and outside people also. And then we selected some few organizations whom we can donate today. We have done. Now we have lots of other material. We'll be doing the second donation camp very soon. We'll be finding out more people. Might be we'll go to some village where the people will actually require. We'll go and give it to them also. We want to make it a yearly event with the support of the people of Ceylon and all over the place. We want to make it a yearly event so that the people get it. We'll be trying to improvise in it more and more, how to get better clothes for the children and all, and how to get it washed also. We are trying to find out a way where we can tie up with some people who can wash the cloth and give it to us with iron also. We'll be trying to do that.